Everybody else is saying I can tell the difference. If I didn't have a brain, then I couldn't feel no pain. That would be a good thing, I think. If I didn't have to change everything I became, I could be myself all the time. If I didn't have a life, if freedom didn't have a price, I'd be a motherfucking rich man. If I had everything, I'd still be missing something. If I could control myself, if I could, you know, everything that we've done in our life has brought us to this point. You are who you are. You've done the thing that you've done. The past is the past. The only thing you can do is make yourself better. Grow up. Learn your lessons. And remember, what goes on in your head doesn't go on in other people's heads. Nobody knows what we're thinking. So stop judging people for what you think they're thinking. Because you don't know what they're thinking.